YouTube pays out $17,000 for this channel, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make the same kind of video with little effort using our shortcuts. Stoic Wisdom Quotes is one of the easiest channels to reproduce and monetize with. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a channel just like this one for yourself with barely any effort. Stoic Wisdom Quotes makes $17,000 a year with little effort. Let me ask you something. If you could make an extra $17,000 a year with very little effort from our shortcuts, could you use the extra income? If yes, then stick around because I'm going to show you step by step how to copy and paste this channel so you can start printing money too. It angers me when I see these so-called YouTube automation channels claiming to show you how to monetize a YouTube channel, but they don't really show you how to kill each step in the process. Instead, they just fluff their videos with useless information to get views. On this channel, we don't gatekeep information. Let me show you what these channels are really doing so you too can start printing money in a short period of time. But first, we need to understand why Stoic channels are an easy niche to get into. Looking at the metrics, Stoic channels have a high search volume and a low competition score. This makes it the perfect opportunity to start printing money because there's enough search volume to get traffic to your own channel. Let's look at one of Stoic Wisdom's most recent uploads.
12 bad habits all Stoics should avoid. 1. Don't be overheard complaining, even to yourself. 2. Don't put on airs about your self-improvement. 3. Don't overindulge in eating or drinking.
Channels like this are pretty easy to copy and paste because all it is one picture with a motivational script and voiceover. I would say this is a 2 out of 10 when it comes to how hard it is to reproduce this video. So let me show you how it's done. The first place we want to start is Leonardo AI. Create a free account. A free account should be enough for your channel because you get 150 free tokens per day to use. This will give us plenty of images for our video. From the home page, click on the flow state title in the left column. This allows us to generate multiple images at once from a single prompt. Starting with the column on the left, you want to make sure you copy each setting I change in this section in order to get the result you want. Under Style, click on Vibe, scroll down and click on None. In this way, we have complete control over the texture of our result. Next, click on Lighting and do the same thing. And the same for shot type and color theme. Under Image Dimensions, choose 2x3, because we're creating a YouTube short. Next, turn off Prompt Enhance because we don't want the AI adding more description to our prompt. And lastly, turn off Scroll to Generate because we don't want to waste all of our tokens while we scroll through our images. Once we're done with our settings, now it's time to generate our image. Type in the following prompt into the Generate box. Side shot of Stoic man statue thinking, face hand on chin on black background. Then press the Generate button. Now that all of our images are generated, let's pick the first one. I like the way it looks for our video. Now let's move on to the next part, which is generating our script. Stoic Wisdom did a great job of coming up with a motivational script about habits every Stoic should avoid to become your best self. The key is making sure your viewers stay around for the entire video. Don't worry, because I'll teach you a much better method than just randomly asking ChatGPT to create a story for you. You don't even need a prompt. This shortcut is so easy that all you have to do is copy and paste the title of the video you would like to reproduce and let AI do the rest. This shortcut is called Channel Maker. The link is down in the description below. All you do is copy and paste the video title of any YouTube video you would like to reproduce. And by law, it's copyright free because you've repurposed the content. No edits needed. A 5-year-old could do it with no problem. You'll get your entire script emailed to you in under 30 seconds. Let me show you. First, we'll go back to Stoic Wisdom's YouTube video. We'll copy their video title and paste it into the Channel Maker script creator. Link down in the description and comments. Next, put in the email address you'd like your script sent to. Let's check our email and view our script. And just like that, your script is complete. Let's keep moving on. Now we need a voiceover for our script. From Channel Maker, click on 11 Labs Voiceover. 11 Labs is by far the best text-to-speech AI platform on the web. In my opinion, nothing comes close. I've created hundreds of YouTube videos using 11 Labs, and it's by far the best. Before you can use 11 Labs, you have to sign up for the 11 Labs free trial. Now let's head over to Studio and start from scratch. Go to the Voice tab and type in Knockstark 2. This will be the voice we'll use for our video. So far we have a script and a chosen voiceover. Now let's paste a paragraph from our script and see what we got.
Let's talk about the first habit to avoid, and that's being overly critical of yourself. It's easy to look in the mirror and talk negatively about what you see. This negative self-talk can be like a heavy backpack that slows you down.
Everything sounds great. Now let's hit the download button and hop into our video editor to finish. I highly recommend you use CapCut to create YouTube videos for fast, high-quality results. Do not use the CapCut mobile app to create your videos. Download the PC version. Once CapCut is downloaded, let's add our image and voiceover to the timeline. Now let's drag the length of our image to the end of our timeline. This keeps your image showing for the whole video without cutoff. Next, let's add some background music. Go to the Audio tab and type piano in the search box. Now pick the first option and hit the plus sign. Lower the volume to -10 so the music doesn't drown out the voiceover. Let's see what we got so far.
It's easy to look in the mirror and talk negatively about what you see. This negative self-talk can be like a heavy backpack that slows you down. Instead, try to focus on your strengths.
Now let's add a dark filter and grain effect.
It's easy to look in the mirror and talk negatively about what you see. This negative self-talk can be like a heavy backpack that slows you down.
And that's it. You would continue to copy and paste your script into 11 Labs and drop the audio file into CapCut until you're finished. It's easy. Our next step is just as important as the video itself, and that's the video title. Your video title will make or break your video's views. Your video title is the most important metric the YouTube algorithm uses to push your video to the right audience. Since we already know the video title Stoic Wisdom is using works, all we have to do is recreate one with a similar flavor. Remember the software we used earlier to create our script? Channel Maker. Well, that's exactly what we're going to use to create our title. Success leaves clues, so instead of pounding your brain to come up with a new title, we're going to use the original title of the video and let AI do the work. Let's take a look. Heading back over to the original YouTube video, copy and paste Stoic Wisdom's video title into Channel Maker's title box. What this is going to do is make the title better so that you can use it in your video. Now let's go to our email inbox and see what we got. Alright, so Channel Maker gave us 10 eye-catching titles that should get your video, clicks, and views. I'm liking the title. 12 toxic habits that sabotage your Stoic journey. Avoid these now. This will be the title we'll use. Keep in mind, if you don't like the titles given, you can generate the title again for 10 more new ones. And just like that, you're finished. Make sure you start your free trial by going to the Channel Maker link down in the description and in the comments section. Channel Maker does all the work for you. Your script, your title, your description, and tags. I'll drop more videos like this weekly, showing you how to copy and paste any YouTube video or channel that has been proven to make money. And don't miss last week's videos so you have more video ideas for your channel. See you in the next one.